Play Pibaro Mentangan Pelin ke Genesis Kumong Kumong ke dekat kendai Sepul Pelin ke A Hadu ke bakat lai Uplay ula ongro Tulong bakin yalang Sakawe ke caka Ita ki Ki bahapo ke beneng Batu ai kan pau Karengkong Te kalong kumtaken Dia kata karengkong Lay ula khot ke kendo Bat ya kata kecil yalang ki Ula khot ki duriau Bat ublay ula yoi Ba kalalong ke babha Ublay ula ongro Tulong baka kendo Kan pen ni spek Baki tur Kin pen say sembay Bat baki ding so Kin say so Hala kajan Kibadon mau sembay Hapo jungki Halo ke kendo Te kalalong kumtaken Kumtate ke kendo Kala pen ni spek Bat ki turu Kala pen ni sembay Hala kajan Bat ki ding so Kila pen say so Hala kajan Kibadon mau sembay Hapo jungki Te ublay ula yoi Bakal lang kababha Te kabalajan nit kalalong Bat kastet kalalong kabalay kasi Flesh one. Tonight I'm gonna continue from Genesis chapter 1 verses 9 to 13 onwards. And God said, Let the waters under the heaven be gathered together unto one place, and let the dry land appear, and it was so. And God called the dry land earth, and the gathering together of the waters called he seas. And God saw that it was good. And God said, Let the earth bring forth grass, the herb yielding seed, and the fruit tree yielding fruit after his kind, whose seed is in itself upon the earth. And it was so. And the earth brought forth grass and herb yielding seed after his kind, and a tree yielding fruit, whose seed was in itself after his kind. And God saw that it was good. And the evening and the morning were the third day. Thank you.